Hello everybody, welcome back to Trumpbottom Manor. Today we are going to be talking about where we come from.
Or where we were born.
When we meet people for the first time, we often ask, where do you come from? Where do you come from, Scratchit?
I come from Little Itching Crotch.
Where's that?
Just in the next field.
Oh,
And where do you come from?
me?
Yeah, where do you come from?
Well, I come from Trumpbottom, of course. Silly question.
Where does he come from?
Him?
Yeah, where does he come from?
He comes from America.
Okay.
And where does she come from?
She?
Yes.
She comes from
Slur?
something beginning with slur.
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 Good. She comes from Slur.
Slur. Yeah.
Good.
Another question is, where were you born? And we must say were because it's in the past.
Very good. Very good. Were
Were.
in the past.
Where were you born, sir?
Me?
Yeah, where were you born?
I was born here, in the house. Right here, in front of the fire.
Here.
Yeah.
Ew. Ugh.
And where were you born, Scratchit?
Me?
Yes, you.
I was born in the stable, like the little baby Jesus.
Ah.
But there were no angels and I didn't get any presents.
No presents?
No presents. None. None. Where was he born?
Him?
Yeah, where was he born?
Well, he comes from America, which means he was born in America. And where was she born?
She?
Yes, her.
She was born in
Slur. She was born in Slur.
She was born in Schlur.
Very good. So actually, it's the same thing if you ask someone, where do you come from?
Or, where are you from?
Or, where were you born? It's the same thing. We hope you enjoyed your time at Trumpbottom Manor here today. Please join us again next time when we'll be looking at the word have.
Don't forget to like us, subscribe, share, and leave a comment.
Bye for now.